We are at a location down near the corner of Route 45 and Milwaukee Avenue here in town. It's an area of town that's been kind of undergoing a transformation. It's called the New Town Center, the new TIF district on the south side of town. But we are at a location that has stayed very true to its original form, getting better and better all the time. We're at Philly G's, which is a restaurant that's been here for quite a while. We're very pleased to be joined by the owner of Philly G's. That's Mr. Gilardi Jr. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
And now, a lot of us know Philly G's also. It used to be called Gilardi's, right?
Correct.
Now, what's going? How long have you guys been in business? This is definitely a family business, too.
Absolutely. We've been here for 25 years. My dad started the restaurant. And then my grandmother, my great-grandmother, myself, whole family worked here. I bought him out 4 years ago with an uncle of mine on the other side of the family and a longtime friend that I grew up with.
Okay, so this is a family business. And when you talk about the menu, you've got a vast menu. It's kind of back to your roots. Is that what kind of food we can see here?
I would consider ourselves primarily Italian. We have evolved a bit over the years. A lot of steaks, a lot of different sandwiches, things like that during the lunch menu. But yeah, most of it is all my grandmother's and my great-grandmother's recipes. We make all our own salad dressings, our pastas, our sauces, everything's made here in-house.
Very nice. So that traditional family restaurant touch there. Now tell me about this building, because this building isn't your typical box, where it looks like it's just been put up like the one next to it. This has really got a lot of character. Tell me about the building.
Yeah, the main house itself is over 100 years old. It was a 100-year-old farmhouse that my father bought and renovated into a restaurant. It's got multiple additions, as a lot of people that are in this area have seen us grow over the years. We're actually standing in an addition now. But the original house itself, was about 110 years old now.
So that makes sense. When you walk in, you've got that front porch. That really was the front porch.
Exactly. Okay. And we have, that's how we also have a lot of little separate rooms for private dining and things like that, because they were separate rooms in this house when it started.
So that's where you can have that ambiance of smaller groups and all that you do here, because you do quite a variety. Now, you said you're getting ready to do an addition as well.
Yeah, we are going to start expanding our lounge. The back wall will come out about 25, 30 feet so that we have a nice little dance floor to keep some entertainment during the week, have people dancing in an outdoor deck that will butt up to the new pond that the village is putting on the corner.
Oh, so you can sit out there and see the pond.
You'll be able to sit outside, correct.
Well, and when we talk about this area, this has changed a lot in the last couple years, and you guys said this is where we want to be. Now, what's that feel like as this is growing up around you?
It's, it's been a while. We've been waiting for this, but the village is doing a very nice job with it. The development of the corner, the new parking lot. I'm very anxious to see the landscaping when it comes in and clean it all up, because I know it'll be beautiful when they're done.
Okay, yeah, it is quite a time. You've been through quite a time in the last couple of years here, too. Well, let's talk a little bit. Well, one more thing I wanted to ask, too, because I've always been curious. There's a beautiful car that sits out front. What is that?
It's an Excalibur. My dad bought it when we first opened up. We really don't drive it that much. It runs, it works fine, but a lot of people know that car more than they know the name of the restaurant. It's just kind of a figurehead for the building.
Well, it was pretty good marketing tool, because we do all notice that car, so it's a beautiful car. And when we talk about what you do here, because like you said, you have lunches, you have dinner, you have entertainment, you have, banquet facilities. So tell us a little bit about what we can get when we come here.
Sure. Well, the main thing I like to pride ourselves on is that everything you see opening nowadays, for the most part, is corporate. There's very few places left that the owner's actually at the building, and actually, not to knock anyone else, but that really cares about, if you had a good time and your repeat business. We have a very, very large base of regulars. I've made a lot of my very best friends, through them being customers through the years at this restaurant. Again, with the house being the way it is, we have a lot of private rooms. We can do private rooms for anywhere from 8 to 80 people. We have that front porch, which is nice, with the big windows that go all around, where it's heated in the winter, it's air conditioned in the summer. You get the feeling of being outside even though you're inside.
And that's going to be great when you get that deck to add to that. Yeah. That's going to be exciting, too.
Exactly, because that will actually be an outdoor deck designated only for that. That will never be covered. It will strictly be like a 4-season room, or 3-season room.
Yeah, that's going to be exciting. Well, around here, you never know where the weather changes. It could be 4 seasons. You never know. You never know. So, well, and as we said, you're a family-owned business. You're here on staff. People can come and see you. There's a website you can go to get hours and maps so you know how to get here. But you are here near the corner of Route 45 45 and Milwaukee.
Avenue. Yes, we're on 45, just west of Milwaukee. Do you want me to say our webpage?
You betcha.
It's phillygs.com, which is phillygs.com. Our phone number is 847-634-1811. Do you need anything? You just ask for Phil. I'm always here.
Very good. We'll do that. We'll ask for Phil. Thanks for taking the time, and good luck, and we can't wait to see the addition.
Thank you.